Hey there, I'm Krista with WTI. If you've been searching for the perfect hands-free and fast charging solution for your vehicle, then look no further. This HiWe magnetic car mount charger is going to be the perfect fit for you. I think any customer is happy to know that something is easy to set up. I opted for using it as an air vent mount, so I was able to just manually adjust the device to fit into my Jeep vent. It fit perfectly, it feels sturdy, and it's just at the right eye level for me while I'm in the driver's seat. But so far, in my opinion, the absolute best feature of this accessory is the magnetic attachment. It makes connecting my phone very quick and easy. I just hold it near the mount and it snaps right into place. And once the connection is made, my screen lights up to let me know that it's begun charging. This really gives me peace of mind because I know I'm always going to have power for my Bluetooth and my navigation, but also I'm sure that even on rougher roads that my phone's going to stay safe and steady. The set came with the USB-C cable connection, and no worries if your car does not have that option. HiWe did include a universal adapter for you. With this HiWe magnetic car mount charger, your mobile device will always be accessible, steady and safe, and ready with a full charge. And that's my point of view.